In this video, you'll learn how to turn on bold text on your Google Pixel phone. By following these steps, you will enhance the readability of text throughout your device, making it easier to view and interact with your content. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel phone and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Once you have opened the Settings app, scroll down through the menu options until you find the section labeled Accessibility. Tapping on this option will take you to various display settings. It is important to ensure you are in the accessibility menu, as this will allow you to customize text visibility effectively. Next, within the accessibility settings, look for an option that mentions bold text or text display. You should see a toggle switch next to this option. Tap on the toggle to turn it on. This action enables bold text across the entire system, which enhances the thickness and clarity of the text displayed on your device. Make sure that the toggle appears in the on position, confirming that the bold text setting has been successfully activated. After enabling bold text, return to your home screen by pressing the home button. To see the changes in effect, open various apps on your device. As you navigate through your applications, observe how the text now appears thicker and more defined. This improvement in text visibility can significantly enhance your experience, especially when reading messages, emails. If you find that the bold text does not meet your needs, you can always return to the accessibility settings to adjust other display options as necessary. It is beneficial to experiment with different settings to find the combination that works best for you. This setup not only enhances readability, but also makes daily use of your device more comfortable. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.